So what are the different parts that our chemical thermodynamics can be divided into? So very broadly, the study of chemical thermodynamics can be divided into these four components based on the various types of substances. So number one, we call it pure component thermodynamics. So pure component thermodynamics characterizes the behavior of systems that contain a single component. So I can say this thermodynamic has a single component. Next, the study of chemical thermodynamics is divided into solution thermodynamics. So as the name implies, it is the part of chemical thermodynamics where the behavior of a mixture with more than one component is studied and characterized. So for example, a system that contains more than one type of chemical component. So solution thermodynamics focuses in on more than one component. Number three. So the third type of chemical thermodynamics is chemical reaction equilibrium thermodynamics. Chemical reaction equilibrium thermodynamics is the part of thermodynamics that characterizes the behavior of a system in which the reactants and the product of one or more reversible chemical reactions are at equilibrium. So it is called chemical reaction equilibrium thermodynamics. And this is the study where the reactants and products of one or more reversible chemical reactions are at equilibrium. Number four is called phase equilibrium thermodynamics. So phase equilibrium thermodynamics is the part of chemical thermodynamics where the behavior of multiple phases that may exist in equilibrium with each other is studied. So in the phase equilibrium thermodynamics, we study the behavior of multiple phases that exist in equilibrium with each other. So these are the four basic categories that chemical thermodynamics is divided into. So it can be said that the solution thermodynamics is rather more complicated than pure component thermodynamics. Luckily, we only deal with the classical thermodynamics and pure component thermodynamics for our class. If you want to study more, I suggest you look for the details in a chemical thermodynamics textbook.